Hi kids! Welcome to Bahay Aralan. In this video, we will be talking about prepositional phrases. Let's start this off with the definition of prepositional phrase. A prepositional phrase is a group of words made up of a preposition, object of the preposition, and modifier of the object. Let us take its parts or components one at a time. Let us have preposition first. A preposition is a word that is used to link or connect nouns, pronouns, or phrases to other words in a sentence. The following are some examples of prepositions: across, after, along, around, at, before, behind, beside, between, by, during, for, from, in, into, off, on, over, through, to, under, up, with, within, and without. Now, let us try to find the preposition in this sentence. David is hiding behind the tree. The preposition in this sentence is behind. It acts like a bridge which connects the words before it and the words after it. Okay, let us have the second part or component of the prepositional phrase, the object of the preposition. An object of the preposition is a noun like a person, place, thing, animal, or event. Or a pronoun like him, her, it, them, me, you, or us that follows a preposition. Now let us go back to our example. David is hiding behind the tree. For us to find the object of the preposition, we have to look for the preposition first. And it's already given. It is behind. Next, we can now look for the object of the preposition or the noun that comes after behind. It is tree. Therefore, tree is the object of the preposition. Okay? Now, let us have the modifier of the object of the preposition. The modifier tells something about the object of the preposition. It comes before the object of the preposition. What does it mean? Let's have the previous example again. David is hiding behind the tree. Now let us add a word that describes the tree. Let's use big. So it is now, David is hiding behind the big tree. The words before tree, the, and big are the modifiers. They tell something about the tree. The is an article and big is an adjective. So we now have the preposition, the object of the preposition, and the modifiers. Therefore, behind the big tree is the prepositional phrase in this sentence. Is it clear? Let us have another sentence. The ball should be thrown with great force. What do you think is our prepositional phrase here? To find the phrase, we should always look for the preposition first. And the preposition here is with. And then, we have to find its object. What is the object of the preposition in the sentence? It is force. It is the noun. And the word before force, which is great, is the modifier of the object. It tells how much effort should be given. So, the prepositional phrase here is with great force. Another example. I placed the glass on the round table. What do you think is the prepositional phrase in this sentence? It is on the round table, because on is the preposition here. Table is the object of the preposition, and the round are the modifiers of table. Okay? Now, in some cases, prepositional phrases have no modifiers. They only have preposition and the object of the preposition. For example, it annoys me when people talk during movies. The prepositional phrase in the sentence is during movies. As we can see, it is only composed of a preposition, which is during, and movies, which is the object of the preposition. There is no modifier that comes before movies. But this is still a complete prepositional phrase. Okay? Another example. I always buy my snacks near SM. What do you think is the prepositional phrase in this sentence? It is near SM. Near is the preposition and SM is its object. As we can see, there is no modifier or word that describes SM. But this is still a complete prepositional phrase. Is it understood? So, based on our examples, we can say that a prepositional phrase starts with a preposition and ends with the object of the preposition. We should also remember that a prepositional phrase is only a portion of a sentence, so it cannot stand on its own as a complete thought. Now, let us have a short activity. Identify the prepositional phrase in each sentence. First one. I enjoy walking through the woods. What is the prepositional phrase in the sentence? It is through the woods. Next, the cat jumped over the fence. The prepositional phrase in the sentence is over the fence. Next, he put his shoes by the back door because they were muddy. What do you think is the prepositional phrase in this sentence? It is by the back door. Okay? Another one. On Fridays, our teacher gives us a vocabulary test. The prepositional phrase in the sentence is on Fridays. Another one. My grandfather wanted to visit the museum in the city. What do you think is the prepositional phrase here? It is in the city. Okay, last one. Before the practice, my coach bought me an energy drink. What is the prepositional phrase in this sentence? It is before the practice. Alright, that would be all, kids. Thank you for watching. Stay safe.